Looks like a real talent to me. That's beautifully played. Didn't try and hit it too hard. It's all about timing.
This is not an easy shot to play when the ball is coming onto your legs, swinging in. It's very easy to drop the head can fall over, but the balance of the shot is so good. He plays it with so much control right between the gap.
Oh, that's in the air. That might be interesting.
It was hit hard, traveled the distance enough for Arham to really sprint underneath it. He had his hands, but it was a tough chance.
They are the toughest. You've got to try and get your eyes nice and settled and leveled, and there's a bit of guesswork involved as well. It was a fine effort. Nicely played again. This time he's played it squarer, and this time he's picked up a boundary as well. That's a fine shot from Benkenstein.
That's a shot of someone in real good form. There are 4 fielders on the leg side, and he still manages to find a gap. Excellent shot there. Look at the head. It's still on, right onto his front foot. It's not swaying onto the offside. Still head, eyes looking at the ball till the very end, and some good wrist work as well.
Gone over the top with control, and has hit it beautifully. That is a wonderful stroke for half a dozen. Nicely played.
That's what I'm talking about. He's going to bowl up because he wants wickets. He wants to bring that slip fielder in, but he's now challenged with aggression of Luc Benkenstein. Down on one knee, right from the middle of the bat. That's the boundary before. Down on one knee. Use of the long levers.
That's nicely played. Straight out of his dad's copybook, I think, from the Caribbean when he was young and ventured over there. Beautiful shot, well in front of square.
I think he was waiting for the shorter delivery. Look at his stance. It's a much more open stance. And even though he's got pace, but he was able to read that ball pretty quickly. No fielder on deep square. Now there's a change in field.
So I mentioned he'd look to get after him when he wasn't hitting his straps fully, Zishan, and that's what he's done, Benkenstein, with that pull shot. Just ticked around the corner for 4. Easiest shot in the book when you're in form.
And when the bowler is straying away as well. This is not a good delivery onto the leg side. The bounce was enough for him to just play it very comfortably. No risk involved there either. That's not good bowling.
No, it's a big over now. A couple of wides, still 2 balls to go, 10 from it at this stage. A couple of boundaries. It's a nice punch off the back foot into the covers. Only the one though. Good fielding.
It was Basit Ali who saved a few runs there. A very good shot there, back foot punch. He really plays the shot well. Basit Ali with the green cap.
Two leg side, that delivery. Luc Benkenstein is in prime form. Just close the face so that ball goes into the gap. Wide of mid-on. Still plenty open spaces.
Oh, he gets that edge. Everything's been missed. That should have been out.
Calm down here. Just come down the wicket. It wasn't for that edge. He was either getting bowled or he was going to be stumped. There really is no need for him to be.
This big shot. He is trying his level best to give an opportunity to the opposition.
Yeah, I think this has come off the toe end of the bat. No, it's not. It's actually come out the middle. He just hasn't hit it well. This is a valiant effort. Desperately tried to get there. Couldn't. Benkenstein survives again.
There you go again. Attacks. Just passes that cover fielder. He gets a boundary, but lots of oohs and ahs.
I struck this one well. It's just gone to the right. That man had extra cover, but would have taken some catching.
It's hit big. This time he clears everything. Benkenstein wants to finish this match. Gets to 53 in just no time. 31 deliveries and does deserve a standing ovation. He leads them to a commanding position every time he scores runs. And they're keeping that run rate in their control.
Now the sixes, one that took him past the 50 mark. Appreciated by his colleagues. He's gone again. Now, has he got enough of this? Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Well, he's decided that he's going to take on RM Nawab. A couple of sixes in the over. Biggest one of the innings so far, 18 from it. The man's in control.
Oh, he times this. Has he got enough of it? He has just.
It was a slower delivery. And with the slower delivery, there is no deep mid-wicket. And with his stance, you know the release shot will go there. It might be 4 runs.
Yep. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. He's making it so difficult for Zishan because he's walking round the crease, and when he gets the opportunity, he's getting boundaries. 11 from the first 4 deliveries.
Tough to bowl at him. You bowl slow one, he hits you out of the park. You try to go faster, he flicks it off the hips. Excellent batting, 11 of 4 deliveries.
He enjoyed that as well, didn't he? He enjoyed that shot. Now then, as he picked the fielder out, I don't think he gets all of it. Is he going to be out? Yes. So 11 runs from the first 4 deliveries. There's a little bit of chirping going on as well. But it is the end of Luc Benkenstein. He'll have to go off 71 from 37. And Zishan was brought back into the attack and has the wicket.
And this time Zishan puts a lot of effort into that ball. Benkenstein wants to go deep mid-wicket. This time there's a fielder there. Easy catch by Basit Ali. Benkenstein goes for 71. Gwadar Sharks 95 for 2.